Hi Year 2, I hope you're all ready to learn. So this video is going to be telling you what you're going to be doing for maths this week. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is click on the link on the school website, and that will take you to a website called White Rose Maths. Then on there you need to go into the Home Learning Year 2 section, and the week you want is Summer Term Week 1. Okay, and on there's 4 lessons to have a go at. Okay, and then on Friday there's a special maths challenge that you can have a go at as well. Okay, so I'll tell you how the lessons will work, okay, because it will be the same each week now but for a different topic. So each lesson will have a little video for you to watch, so you need to watch that video, okay, and then there'll be a little activity sheet to have a go at, okay, and then once you've had a go at the activity sheet, there is actually the answers on the website. So you can mark this yourself if you want, or you can have a go at marking it with an adult, okay? And what you can do is you can see which ones you got correct, and you can also see if you made any mistakes. And if you did make mistakes, you can maybe try and work out with your adult why you made the mistake, and actually you can have another go if you want, okay? So you don't need to submit any of this work to Miss Howard or me. All of the stuff on here you can have a go at and mark on your own. Okay, so there's 1 lesson per day, so 5 lessons on there. So we'll also be putting on your Purple Mash home learning folder, your new home learning folders, we'll be putting 2 challenge questions about the topic you've been doing that week. Okay, now these challenge questions are just like the challenge cards we've done in school, guys. So you've done lots of them, so you know what they look like, okay, and you've become experts at doing them. So this is what we'll want you to upload back onto Purple Mash, okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to have a go at those challenges on your own, okay, without an adult helping, okay? And I only want you to have an adult helping you if you're really, really stuck. But we'd really like you to have a go on your own, okay? And again, you can make mistakes. Mistakes are fine, aren't they, guys? Like we always say in school, okay? We can learn from our mistakes, okay? So they don't need to all be perfectly correct, okay? If you upload it and there's some mistakes, that's absolutely fine, because what we're going to do is we're going to mark them and give you some feedback, okay? So we'll let you know if you got them right or if you made some mistakes, and if you made some mistakes, we'll give you some support with that, so you can maybe have another go if we want you to, or we might actually let you know what you did wrong, so that you can actually understand it a bit more, okay? So please don't worry about mistakes, guys, okay? Remember to have that growth mindset we always talk about. Okay, so this week, guys, the topic you're going to be learning about is, for the first 2 days, fractions. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a couple of tips. Remember, we've done lots of fractions work. So remember, when you're doing fractions, the bottom number tells you how many groups to share it into, doesn't it? And all of the groups must be equal. Okay, and then the top number tells you how many to look at, doesn't it? How many groups to look at, okay? Now, when you're doing it, you might need to find some fractions of some strawberries, I think they are on there, but we might not have strawberries at home. So remember, you can use anything. Like in school, we use counters, don't we? So if you need some objects to help you, find something around the house that you've got lots of. Okay, so that's for fractions. Then the next 2 days is actually measuring lengths. Okay, now we've done lots of that in school as well, haven't we? Remember, we made the meter stick, and also we measured lots of objects, the length of objects in centimetres and metres, didn't we? Okay, now remember, top tip, when you're using the ruler, you don't start at the very end, you start where the 0 is, don't you? And you line it up, and then you see how far that object goes, and you look at what number it's closest to, don't you, okay? So, there's a couple of tips. Have a go. I hope it all goes well, and I can't wait to see your challenges. Bye, guys.